when you're playing, right, you should always be counting to 4 in your head. So you should be going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And keep it simple. Like 2 rock stars sitting up here now. So what we need to do, we need to choose this. Sometimes you might want to hear more playback, sometimes you might want to hear more input. Generally, they're generally about halfway. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put down a simple drum track so we can keep time. Okay? So you want to get some loops. Get a simple drum line that you can play along to, because they need something to keep time. Yeah, that's fine, but we'll change the tempo. Yeah.